How to solve x power x is equal to 9 power of x plus 81. Find the value of x. So we have x power x is equal to 9 power of x plus 81 can be written as 9 power x times 9 power of 81. Now we divided by 9 power x in both sides. So divided by 9 power x divided by 9 power x. Now this 9 power x, this 9 power x will be cancelled. Now x same power but different base. So remember this exponential rule that a power n over b power n is equal to a over b, then bracket common power n. So according to this formula, I can write here x over 9, then bracket common power x is equal to 9 power of 81. Now we divided by power of 9 in both sides. So divided by power of 9 divided by power of 9. Now let x over 9 is substituted by t. So our equation will be t power t is equal to 9 power of 81 divided by 9, that means it will be 9. Now here you can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, we can compare here. T will be equal to 9. Now remember that x over 9 is substituted by t. So t, that means it will be x over 9 then is equal to 9. Now we need the value of x, so we multiply by 9 in both sides. So multiply by 9, multiply by 9. So this 9 will be cancelled. So here x will be equal to 9 multiplied by 9, that means it will be 81. So 81, this is the value of x. So this is our x power x is equal to 2 power of 8. What is the value of x? So we have x power x is equal to 2 power 8 can be written as 2 power of 2 times 4. Now x power x is equal to 2 power of 2 times 4 is same as 2 power 2, then bracket power of 4. According to this rule, a power of m times n is equal to a power m bracket power n. Now we have x power x is equal to 2 power 2 is same as 4, then power of 4. Now here you can apply rule that a power a is equal to n power n. So a will be equal to n where n is greater than or equal to 1. So according to this rule, I can compare here. So it will be x is equal to 4. So this is the value of x. So this is our final answer.